Should we come up with something that, like, someone says something first and then we all say something together?
Say something like, greetings to Team Serbia from Two-Man Advantage.
Who wants to do the talking?
I vote you.
Well,
No. I vote you. I ain't voting you.
yeah, look.
Why not?
Hold on. First of all, what are you going to say?
I'm the most fucking New York sounding guy in the...
Wait a second, wait. This is supposed to be like pumping them up to go win the whatever the hell it is.
Mikey, Coach, you got to get back here because you're tall. Okay,
Go
pick a
Serbia.
song. Vote on a song. I'll go HLC. We'll
No,
go.
I want a different song. I don't want a pop tune.
Let's
go happy.
You know what?
I think he just...
HLC. Don't play.
Serbia! 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 Serbia hockey maniacs! Serbia! Serbia! Serbia hockey maniacs!
I didn't even know they had a hockey team.
From New York across the Atlantic to Serbia, Two-Man Advantage wishes you the best of luck in your tournament.
Go Team Serbia!
Hey, Jackson!
There you go.
That was a perfect one!